Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with exercise 11.1, that is based on the concepts that we have discussed yesterday's lecture. So first question is, look at the given figure and answer the following questions. Name the rays starting from the point A. Now this is the point A, which all rays are starting from here is, first is AP, AQ, AD, AC. So these are the four rays that starts from the point A. Always we use the symbol for ray is like this, arrow. B part, how many line segments are there? Name them. So line segments here are, line segment we know is a part of line. So line segments are AP, AB, AQ, BQ, AD, RD, DC, CS, DS, AC. So all these are line segments. C part, name the parallel lines. Clearly these two lines are parallel. So PQ is parallel to RS. Next, which lines are not parallel? Clearly these two lines are not parallel, this line is not parallel. So we will write the pairs. Now A, D and BC. This is the first pair which is not parallel. Next is AD and AC. Then BC and AC, these two lines are not parallel. Next, D part, E part, name any four pairs of intersecting lines and their point of intersection. Now here the intersecting lines are AD and AC and the point of intersection is A. AD and AC and they intersect at the point A. Next is DC and BC, they intersect at the point C. Next, AD and RC, they intersect at the point D. BC and AQ intersect at the point B. So these are the four. Others, if you can see, you can write that also. F part, name the lines containing the point C. The lines that contain the point C is, first is BC, AC, DC. These are the three lines which contain the point C. G part is, name the lines on which point B lies. B is here. So AQ, BC, these are the lines on which point B lies. Next is H part, name the lines passing through the point A. This is point A, which all lines are passing through here is AC, AB, AD, AP. So these are the lines which pass through the point A. Next question is, how many lines can be drawn passing through one point? Now this is one point. How many lines can we draw passing through this point? Any number of lines we can draw that pass through this point. So what is the answer? Infinite number of lines. Infinite means that cannot be counted. Countless lines. How many lines can be drawn passing through 2 points? Now these are the 2 points. If I join these 2 points, only one line at a time can be drawn from these 2 points. So the answer is only one line. Next is, in the adjacent figure, X is the midpoint of PQ and Y is the midpoint of PR. Here X is the midpoint of PQ and Y is the midpoint of PR. PR is 20 centimeter, PQ is 15 centimeter, QR is 18 centimeter. What is the length of PX, PY, XQ and YR? Now X is the midpoint of this PQ. Midpoint means it lies exactly in the middle. So if PQ is 15, then PX is half of PQ because it is at the middle. So PX is half of PQ. Half means 1 by 2 of PQ. PQ is 15 centimeter. So this is 15 by 2, or you can write 7.5 centimeter also. Next is PY. And one thing more, PX is equal to XQ because X is midpoint, so these two parts are equal. So PX is equal to XQ, that is 7.5 centimeter. Next is PY. Now PY is half of PR and PR is 20. So PY is half of PR, that is half of 20 means 10 centimeter. So if PY is 10, so YR is also 10 centimeter. So we get all the lengths. Next is, look at the adjacent figure and answer the following questions. This is a cube. A part is, name the marked points. Marked points means the points which are marked here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the marked points. B part, how many line segments are there? Name them. Now line segments, AB, AD, DC, BC, AE, EH, HD, EF, H, G, GC. So like this we have 12 line segments. These are known as edges of the cube also. C part is, name the line segments meeting at the point F. Now this is the point F. Which line segments are meeting here? FG and EF. And one more line is there, BF. So these are the three lines which meet at the point F. Name the line segments meeting at the point B. This is the point B. BF, BC, AB. These are the three lines which meet at the point B. Name the groups of any four parallel line segments. Four parallel, AB and CD, they are parallel. Now AB is parallel to EF also and CD is parallel to HG. So we can say AB, CD, EF, HG. They form the first group of parallel lines. Next AE, DH, FBF and CG. They form the second group. Next is, in the given figure, name three collinear points. Now you can see here A, C, E. They lie on one line, so they are collinear. Three non-collinear, A, D, F, A, C, F. So all are non-collinear. Three concurrent lines, L, N and Q. These are the three concurrent lines, L, N and Q. The lines which lie in one plane and pass through one point are known as concurrent lines. So you can see L, N and Q pass through one common point A, hence they are concurrent lines. Next is, the adjacent figure represents a cuboid. Look at the figure and answer this. Name the plane parallel to ABCD. Now A, B, C, D. This is the plane. Now parallel to this is the upper plane, EF, GH. So EF, GH is the plane which is parallel to A, B, C, D. B and C part are your homework. Name the plane parallel to BC, GF. And C part is, name any one plane intersecting A, B, F, E. Thank you. Have a nice day.